If you see I highlight it right here. Okay, now see this? This is how YouTube is recommending my content. You can see this if you go to the YouTube studio on the computer or laptop, and you can see the impressions, watch time from impressions, which is critical for YouTube recommending your content. So I'm gonna go to reach here, and let's see. I have 89 impressions, which is good. A 16.9 click-through rate, which is very good. 33 views, and 12 unique viewers. So, there's two things you need to focus on. Well, first I'm going to tell you what YouTube wants you to do so you can more easily trigger the algorithm. YouTube wants you to do is make your viewers stay on YouTube. So if you can do that, it will trigger it. So the thing is, you need good content. That means good audience retention. So if I go to engagement here, okay, let me go to videos to be more precise about this. And this has to be one of my best performing videos so far. Okay, so engagement, yes, it had 2 views, but it was 5 minutes. But yeah, so the longer your viewer duration is, adds up to your watch time. If you increase that by, let's say you here, editor, and you, let's say, how to, add estimate. Speaking of which, I'll give you a great example here. I'm gonna put a card right here on the right top, and so it looks like this. Okay, so I go to video. Okay, I will put the in screen first. That's for viewer. Actually, no, that ain't better. Yeah, let's put this one on here. So that's in screen. That's one way you can do it. So, there's that. Next is, I'm gonna save this. Actually, no, I'm gonna do something real fast. This is the way you can entice the viewer to subscribe to remind them what's more likely. Or you can put it on the bottom right. Or you can just put it anywhere. Okay. Next, you're gonna go back to details. And then add a card. So if you can't get them to the end of your video, you can still let them watch the other video of yours. Now I know it's hard getting your viewer to the end of your video, but you can put channel, playlist, or video. Preferably playlist, because there's more content that they want, but the key thing is you want to make it similar to the video that you are making that second. So let's say you're making a channel, like a news channel, and you're doing like a Black Lives Matter, and you have like a playlist of that, and you put that playlist on there, and they won't likely to click on it. And to make it more enticing to do so, you tell me in the video to click on this playlist or this video or whatever, preferably playlist, and you tell them that in the video so they do it. But you can also do that in the in-screen too, if you're lucky enough to get them to that in the video. For beginners, I know it's hard. So yeah, there's that. Here's a couple other ways. So this code changes since I didn't do anything. Just told you. So next I'm gonna go to back to my videos. Back again. Back again. Then let's see, how to use tags. So this one needs to be watched more. So this is, actually I'm going to do it backwards. Okay, so first I'm going to select a video to put, do this. So since it's related to tags, I'm going to put it on the more views. So, okay, go to video. Hello everybody, this is Bboy. Okay. Click on here. Well, highlight it actually. Hit copy. Okay. Go back. And then go back again. And it's too late. I'm gonna show you how to do this. So like I said, this video right here got the details. Click on it. Kinda long, but hello everybody. This is Bboy. See how many link tags I have. None. Okay, so you wanna go here. And okay, here. Then hit. Actually, no. Here's even better, right? Here is a video that I don't know how to spell his name, so I'm gonna put tells you. Oh wait, that's to the the main thing. Lets you know how to use tags. And then I have to enter because it brings it underneath different things. Paste. And then next thing you want to do, make sure if you get like a tons of comments, you want to pin it. And that makes it stay to the top. You can also pin, like if you have a very good comment on your video, you can pin it. So the other way you can do this is, let me go back here, and I can put it in my description the same way. I'm also, I edited this part out when I was speaking of, when I said, what the CEO is, I added that part out, so there's no need to put that in here. Well, next thing, this description box. Come on. Down for night here. Okay. Be careful doing that because you can accidentally erase your critical information. So be careful hitting the backspace. And then you put it right there. Then above, here's a video that, sorry, that's one letter, I tend to do that. Lets you know how to use tags. Okay, then hit save. And ta-da! Now I'll send my comment and description. All you do when you put in the description is let the viewer know by telling them in your video to check out the description, for the video. It's not every time do they read the description. So that's what you want to do. So all these ways, end screens, put a link to your video in a comment or the description, card. Remember, when you do that card or the end screen, or even adding when you comment to you on the video, you can also post a link to your playlist on your comment section in your, I think on your description too. So, of course you don't want to do all the same. If you have different playlists that sort of similar, then you can put all of those playlists in all those. So, one of them is bound to be watched, if not all of them. So yeah, that's how you trigger the YouTube algorithm. I hope this helps. And so that's. Okay, let me say something else. My next video is gonna be what the do's and don'ts of using tags. Because there's a way to do it and there's a way not to do it. So now way, if you like this video, subscribe, give it a like, share it to whoever needs help with their triggering the YouTube algorithm, and be sure to comment how this helped you, or what you need help with on your YouTube channel. And that is all. Have a good day.